Teams from various departments showcase their culinary skills by preparing a variety of local and continental dishes that highlighted health-conscious ingredients and vibrant flavors. The competitive but friendly atmosphere had the Field Operation Department, Audit Department, HR Department, Marketing Department, and the Account Department prepare some dishes including fried yam and plantain, fried rice with chicken, fufu with light soup, banku with okro and tilapia, as well as ampesi with palava sauce and agushi stew respectively. Again, a variety of side activities kept the energy high, where some employees engaged in ludo, owari, and other friendly games of draughts and cards. At the end, judges evaluated the entries based on creativity, presentation, teamwork, and nutritional value, emphasizing the importance of healthy eating in cancer prevention. The competition also served as a reminder of the significance of early detection in breast cancer awareness. The accounting department topped the competition, proving that their expertise goes beyond spreadsheets and ledgers.
We have a new champion in the house! Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for accounting!
Mr. Frank Asante is the Managing Director of Quality Control Company Limited of the Ghana Cookout.
The health of the workforce is at the heart of the corporate institution. This activity is very important to quality control and the Cookout as a whole. Continue to sustain the program from time to time.
Management says they look forward to more events that combine fun with awareness on health.